I have to replicate the lamb loin dish. Honestly, I don't like the taste of lamb. I don't like the smells. But it's a competition. I take it as a challenge. I'm not really sure the 3 hours will be enough for me to do this dish. There's like 8 elements on one plate. I'm like, oh, okay. I have to do it really fast. Otherwise, I won't get the things right. Me and Leon cook the same dish. I prepared to cook the veal cheek and the ox tongue. So I sauteed the green onion, ginger, chili, everything together in the pressure cooker. And then I put the tongue and the veal cheek into it. I've sauteed for like 5 seconds. I just realized, no, this is chicken. I just quickly scoop it out before it's getting too cooked. How stupid am I to think chicken is a veal? Seriously?
Blanche, remind us again, what are you doing?
Today I'm doing the lemon chicken roll.
Okay, how much of the recipe have you gone through?
Actually, I haven't gone through, I only gone through here now. Yeah, so...
You have a lot to do.
Yeah.
I smell beef. What cut is this in this pot?
It's a veal cheek and ox tongue.
Oh, you cook it all together?
Yeah.
So have you removed the skin of the
Not
tongue?
Not yet.
No, because cow does eat a lot of different things. So you might get the flavor.
Okay.
You know what?
On that.
Read your recipe. We might lead you to it.
Okay, thank you. How to use it?
Yeah, I'll be with you a second.
I'm really not familiar with vacuum machine. I appreciate Leon a lot that he's willing to take 5 minutes to help me deal with this. That's it?
Yeah, and just wait for it.
I still have a lot to do, which starts to stress me out a bit because I get the feeling I might not able to put every element on the plate. Still now.
Blanche.
Yes.
How are you going?
To be honest, I don't think I'm able to make it on time.
Why? You've given up already?
I'm so drained, so tired.
So this has come out of
The sous vide.
Okay, why don't you put it in some cold water to cool it down? Put it in some ice bath. It's hot. Okay. What else have you got to do?
I think I still have to do a pea puree, and I have to bake the chicken.
Okay. Don't give up.
Okay, thank you. I do feel stressed that I'm not able to make it. I really don't want to end up like empty plate to the judge. That doesn't look professional. So I start plating, I put the puree. But once when I put the puree, I just realized I forget to strain it. Anyway, I have not enough minutes to sieve it now. Let's just hope judge won't fall down. When I present my plate in front of judges, I feel a bit embarrassed. My puree looks grainy, and the chef really, come on, he knows his dish. If I do something wrong, he definitely can see it.
Well, congratulations for getting it plated up.
I think at the beginning I went too slow because I don't know how will we combine together. So yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Dear, oh dear, I think this is too many elements wrong on this dish. The onion, confit, there's no sweetness in it. Pea puree, it's not cooked long enough. It hasn't been passed through a sieve, so it's not smooth.
You can taste a lot of greenness. You know, it doesn't really have that really sweet pea puree taste.
And you know, the sauce, I mean, we don't call that a sauce, absolutely not, you know, it's water.